ọ bụ eziokwu na ị nwekwara ike ịchụ ụfọdụ àjà n'aka gị. Ọ bụ eziokwu na ị nwere ike ime certain things, chụọ àjà dị ka ọdụ n'aka gị by yourself without contracting Dibịa, paying Dibịa, of which I, Ezinwa Anaedo, I advocate for that, you know. But there are times there are some àjà, there are some spirit forces that while dealing with, you have to be careful. There is need to exercise professionalism in handling those spirits, in handling those works. Dibias are professionals in relating with spirits. Why do you think Dibias have offer which they use for their work? Why do you think so? And another thing, Dibịa and the priest are not the same in terms of their offices. Priests are known for sacrifice, ịchụ-àjà, akpọ ha ndị nchụàjà, akpọ ha chief priest, akpọ ha Akajiọfọ. Ndị Akajiọfọ bụ ndị priest. A priest is the maker of Dibịa. Akajiọfọ bụ nyanwa na-ehibe m Dibịa, mana ọ bụla Dibịa na-ehibe Akajiọfọ. It is priests that empowers Dibias, but it is not Dibia that empowers chief priests. Amami na wati enne. Maka na agwa na mon na enwere ike nwe ikikere, ike na ikikere ahaba. Ikikere bụ nyawa na apawo ike. Ike na anata ike ye n'aka ikikere. Power and authority. Power is fueled by authority. Authority is higher than power. Ị nwere ike na onwe gị ịchụ ụfọdụ àjà, mana o nwere some mmụọ ga-abịa na-ediru on. You don't just need only power, you need authority to back it. Uche ga-adụ n'ihe nna m. E nwere some dubious spirits. Dubious spirits. Mmụọ ndị ga-enye ha oke, fa anaghị oke rie nọdụ oke ga-ana na-agbago ọrụ. Ọ dị ịgbago ọrụ bụ ya ịgba ọrụ, ọnụ ma ihe wee gba ọrụ. Instead mmụọ ga-anaghị oke rie merụ gị ife ọma dịka isi were ukwu, isi wee chọọ, ọ tụgharịa gbawa gị ọrụ. Ọ na-eme ha. The only thing that can stop such nonsense bụ gịnị? Authority, which is ikikere, which is ọfọ. Maka na o nwere onye nọ na complain ụlọ m inbox now. Mere nji wee sị ka nye nkụzi ya. Ọ sị na ya nyechara shie nri wee pụta n'abalị wee lọọ nlọ wee fụ na ka somebody bụ mmanụ wee na-agba ya n'ọnụ red oil, palm oil. Ụnụ mana ife nke ahụ pụtara. Nwanne, the reason you contract Dibịa and pay Dibịa to do certain work for you, and you pay the Dibịa to do that work for you. It's not just about enriching the Dibịa. It is about the Dibịa asserting his authority of his offer on that work. Ma malokwa Dibịa dịkwa enwere chief priest, enwere Akajiọfọ, enwere Dibịa, enwekwazili Akajiọfọ bụkwazi Dibịa. Akajiọfọ bụ Dibịa, office ya na somebody bụ just only Dibịa abụrụ ofu. You know what ihe na-ekwu? Somebody bụ Akajiọfọ bụrụkwazie Dibịa, and then somebody bụ only Dibịa. These two people are not the same in terms of the authority that they bear. The responsibility that they bear. Chief priests or Akajiọfọ have more responsibilities than just a Dibịa. That is the reason onwere sometimes Dibịa ga na-eme mana Akajiọfọ ama mmenwu ya. Ọ bụrụ na ọma mmenwu ya na ọma mme ya because of his office. And then now combine when that Akajiọfọ is also a Dibịa. They are not the same. The life of a Dibịa and the life of Akajiọfọ are not the same. I have learned that from my own personal experience because Ezinwa Anaedo here is both a Dibịa and Akajiọfọ. Both a Dibịa and the priest. The point of this my teaching, this my video, while dealing with certain spirits, you need to assert authority in that work. Go where we where gazie ofuma manitaro gembolo otisicho. Ezinwa have been telling you that do things yourself, do things yourself. My telling you those things is not as if to tell you that Dibịa is no longer necessary, or priest, the office of priest is no longer needed. No, I teach you those things to empower you. To empower you. But it becomes more perfect when you are empowered with the right knowledge and also you apply the appropriate power and authority in what you do. In our water. Like a go up on what I want to say, I go when you're shaking none of my boss. We are put another. You were for Nanyabo or Lelo, na more about go on there. I am telling you that Nanobu no Dibịa, Lolo get that all near to get out shigging. That nonsense wouldn't have happened. That Dibịa, more here cannot priest, Akajiọfọ or get that order. That nonsense wouldn't have happened because the authority, the ikikere with which that Dibịa or that priest will do that work for you will not permit that more in such nonsense. More respect authority. They respect they respect authorities. So that is what I'm trying. It's just like even on a mekwana dude. All do for the girl. Only Diana Dibịa need or for Dibịa need they're just like me can never man and million and can imagine for self. But all na no Carlo all mmiri mmiri ka eduon do to ka settle on do to nwanyị mmiri and all that when no form must be there of fungible Dibịa because that offer need to be there to accept that authority. mana ngị nwa chọọ iji aka gị wee mịa, you don't have such offer, you don't have such authority, you don't have such ikikere. ị na-aghọta? So while learning from Ezinwa to do some things yourself, also remember na Dibịa bụkwazi Dibịa, and the place of Dibịa is also indispensable. ị na-aghọta? mana m oke na loge inweta ozi atụnye aka na share button tụsa anya bụ ozi. Cheta na eve nkwa na Ezinwa Anaedo na obi Ezinwa Anaedo anyị na-eme nkwa saraka ndị mmiri. Be taking part in that saraka for your own good. Submit your name and your petitions. Submit your token for participation. Ma be where be na bem that day. The saraka goes on every nkwa. The next nkwa saraka that is coming is on Monday, which is on 13th of May. Chat me on WhatsApp to a part of the saraka 08032477868. When you do certain things yourself and you don't see the result, contract Dibịa to do it for you. And the Dibịa biru oge n'ọrụ, don't see that na ihe ọ na-ebiru ga-ebuka. Because that Dibịa, ego anyị na-akwụ ya, you are only servicing his offer with which he does that work, which is the authority. ị na-aghọta ihe m na-agwa gị? Ekenekwa ngo. My name is Ezinwa Anaedo. I come for a total restoration of ọdịnala omenala Igbo. Ahụ m Akajiọfọ obodo Udono, Lifta. Ya gazie.